trust is the foundation of any meaningful relationship. Without it, the bond between two people can crumble, leaving behind pain and uncertainty. Imagine a beautiful glass sculpture representing your relationship. Trust is the pedestal that holds it up. When infidelity strikes, that pedestal cracks, and the sculpture wobbles, threatening to shatter into pieces. But there's hope. Just as a skilled artisan can repair a broken sculpture, you can rebuild trust with dedication and effort. In this video, we guide you through 13 essential steps to restore that foundation and mend your relationship. Now, let's take a moment to ensure you never miss our valuable insights. Show a slide demonstrating how to subscribe to a YouTube channel with visual steps. 1. Click the subscribe button. 1. Hit the bell icon to turn on notifications. 1. Select all to receive updates on our latest videos. Thank you for subscribing. Let's dive into the journey of rebuilding trust. 13 steps to rebuild trust after infidelity, a healing journey. Trust is the bedrock of any strong relationship. When shattered by infidelity, the pain can be unbearable. Rebuilding trust is a long journey demanding courage and commitment. But it is possible to emerge stronger and more connected. In this video, we'll explore 13 essential steps to guide you on the road to recovery. These steps are a roadmap to navigate healing, forgiveness, and rebuilding a love that feels safe and true. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on relationships and healing. The first crucial step is for the unfaithful partner to fully acknowledge their actions. This means taking complete responsibility without minimizing or justifying. It's about recognizing the pain inflicted and facing the consequences. This step is not about appeasing the betrayed partner. It's about genuinely understanding the impact of the actions. Acknowledging the infidelity is the foundation for all other steps. Without this, true healing cannot begin. This acknowledgement must be sincere and heartfelt. It's about clearing the air and demonstrating a commitment to change. "I'm sorry" are two small words that carry the weight of an entire relationship. True remorse goes beyond a simple apology. It's about understanding the depth of pain caused. The unfaithful partner must listen to the betrayed partner's pain without becoming defensive. This requires immense strength and a willingness to sit with discomfort. It's about validating the betrayed partner's feelings and showing a deep understanding of the impact. Remorse is about taking ownership and demonstrating a genuine desire to make amends. It's about showing the betrayed partner that their feelings are heard and valued. Ending the affair is a non-negotiable step towards rebuilding trust. This means ceasing all contact and severing all ties with the affair partner. It requires emotional detachment and removing oneself from situations that could lead to further temptation. This decisive action demonstrates a clear commitment to the primary relationship. Ending the affair is an ongoing process of disentanglement. It requires vigilance in creating distance and demonstrating loyalty to the primary partner. Transparency becomes the cornerstone of rebuilding trust. The unfaithful partner must be completely open about their whereabouts and actions. This might involve sharing passwords and allowing full access to digital lives. It also means being upfront about their daily schedule. This level of transparency is crucial for rebuilding trust. It's about creating an environment of safety and openness. It's about demonstrating a willingness to be vulnerable and accountable. Open and honest communication is vital for healing from infidelity. This involves creating a safe space for both partners to express their feelings without judgment. The betrayed partner needs to share their pain and have their feelings validated. The unfaithful partner needs to listen with empathy and compassion. This communication is an ongoing process. It requires patience, understanding, and a commitment to truly hear each other. Navigating the aftermath of infidelity can feel overwhelming. Seeking professional help, such as couples therapy, can provide a lifeline. A therapist can provide a safe space for open communication and address underlying issues. Therapy can help partners understand the dynamics that contributed to the infidelity. Seeking professional help is a sign of strength and commitment to the relationship. It demonstrates a willingness to do whatever it takes to heal and move forward. Infidelity is often a symptom of deeper issues within a relationship. Couples must explore the underlying reasons behind the infidelity. This requires honesty, introspection, and a willingness to look within. Understanding the root causes can help address the underlying issues. This exploration requires courage, vulnerability, and a commitment to growth. It's about understanding the complexities of our desires and motivations. Rebuilding trust after infidelity is a marathon, not a sprint. It's a gradual process requiring patience and understanding. The betrayed partner needs time to process emotions and heal. The unfaithful partner needs to be patient with the pace of healing. Trust, once broken, is not easily restored. It takes time, consistency, and a willingness to show up every day. Healing is not linear. There will be good days and bad days. With patience and perseverance, healing is possible. Establishing clear boundaries is crucial for creating safety and security. These boundaries will look different for every couple. Discuss what behaviors are acceptable and unacceptable moving forward. Boundaries are about creating a framework for healing and growth. They provide a roadmap for a healthier and more trusting future. It's important to revisit boundaries regularly and adjust them as needed. Rebuilding trust requires consistent action. The unfaithful partner must demonstrate commitment through daily behavior. This means keeping promises and being accountable. It's about showing up consistently and being emotionally present. Every action contributes to rebuilding trust. Consistency is key to chipping away at the wall of mistrust. Forgiveness is the most difficult step in the healing process. It's not about condoning the infidelity, but releasing its grip on the heart. Forgiveness is a personal journey that takes time and introspection. Holding on to anger and resentment prolongs the pain. Forgiveness allows for emotional release and creates space for peace. It's an ongoing choice, not a one-time event. With each choice to forgive, the betrayed partner moves closer to healing. The shadow of infidelity can linger long after the affair has ended. Couples need to create new, positive memories to overshadow the pain. This doesn't require grand gestures, but finding joy in the everyday. Engage in activities you both enjoy and rediscover simple pleasures. Shared experiences can help rewrite the narrative of the relationship. Each moment of genuine connection helps replace the pain with love and hope. Rebuilding a relationship after infidelity can be emotionally draining. It's easy to neglect your own well-being in the process of healing. Remember, you cannot pour from an empty cup. Taking care of yourself is essential for individual healing and the relationship. Engage in activities that nourish your mind, body, and soul. When you prioritize your well-being, you bring a stronger version of yourself to the relationship. This allows you to show up for your partner with more empathy and love. The journey to rebuild trust after infidelity demands unwavering commitment. It requires honesty, vulnerability, and patience. Healing takes time and there will be setbacks, but with each step forward, you move closer to a stronger bond. Infidelity can shatter a relationship, but it doesn't have to be the end. By embracing these 13 steps, you can mend the broken pieces and create a love that is stronger and more fulfilling.